Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide cash on delivery for certain collections using PayRules app. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Collections Condition. Now add your desired collections from the Collections field. We will select Game Collection. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Let's do a test. We will hide cash on delivery if the order contains any items from Game Collection. Now go to the Payment Method section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. Now let's test our rule. We already have a product from Game Collection into the cart. As you can see, Cash on Delivery visible on the checkout page. Now we will refresh the checkout page and the Cash on Delivery should be hidden. That's its simple way to manage payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!